What's up, guys? Welcome back to BimmerPhD. I'm your host, Tim, and I got a special presentation I want to tell you guys about today. So Johanna picked up the call yesterday from Donna, who had called. They're from out of town. They went to visit their college baby, and on their way back, their 2019 or 22 BMW X7 decided to have a small coolant leak. Well, it's not really small. It's like it leaked all over the place. So they called in and said, can you look at it? And our schedule was packed. But having been in this situation and having what we know to help the customer first, we went ahead and took their car in. It was a big job, right? So, and it was not cheap. So, however, here's the moral of the story, what I love the best. They agreed to be on video, and so they can tell their side of the story. And like Johanna says, the short version is this. We were able to diagnose it the same day, get all the parts ordered up because we got digital authorization. We use digital systems to expedite everything. Had the parts here, genuine BMW parts by morning. The technician had it disassembled, ready to go. We even made a very important decision, and that was to get them on the road today without having to dive too deep into the system, which we'll get into later on. But needless to say, we got the job done. I want to give a big, huge shout out to Josh. Joshua is rising to prove that he is one of the best BMW technicians, and he actually helped Andrew and Donna get back on the road today. So it's Friday. It's like 6 o'clock-ish.
Over that, past that.
And they got an 8-hour drive home, but they're driving home in confidence knowing professional engineers worked on their car. So let me flip it on around. They can tell it from their point of view.
So I called Joanna, and it was at 3 p.m. on a Thursday, and now we are on the road with a new, what do we have? A new
coolant system.
New coolant system.
Belts, pulleys.
I'll just a little bit past 24 hours, and we're so happy we found Tim and Johanna and their team, and they just gave excellent care to our car, and we're headed back out.
Solutions. It's about solutions. This was complicated from the beginning without knowing it, and we were able to come up with almost 4 different solutions along the road. And that's what I really appreciated, was the fact that it was, how do we get this working? Everything's about money and not about money. It's doing the right thing, doing it safely, and getting people on the road. And knowing exactly, being very transparent, knowing what you're walking into and taking care of. And that's what I really appreciated. Great conversation, good shop, and it's from the top down. So
Thank you guys, appreciate it. Have a safe drive home.
Safe drive home.
Okay.
All right, guys, we want to do more testimonials like this, but we need more participation. So like I always say at the end, don't forget to like and subscribe.